This week on Saving Sweet William, we're looking at our back garden, exploring our Mediterranean patio options with a mix of AI design and old world charm. Feel free to get involved, we love hearing your ideas. Now, let's head over to Greece.
Welcome back to Design with me. This time we're looking at the garden. It's an area we cannot wait to improve. It's quite neglected, as you've probably seen in all our videos, and we're really looking forward to making this space feel finished and ready for another summer here in Zakynthos.
Yes, you saw a lot of this area in the previous videos. If you've seen them, it was building the pool and tidying up this area, which was basically to get us through this summer so our family had a place to cool off with the heat. But now we're ready to move on and start thinking about the next stage of it. So we've got lots of different ideas, haven't we? We just go on, you go,
yeah,
you walk around and I'll follow you.
So ready for this, so excited to move into this new chapter. So at the moment we have some paving that was here when we bought the villa. Obviously where the olive tree has been, it's disrupted the roots, have disrupted the paving, and it's now really uneven. At some point we'd like to let other people come and stay at the villa, but with I have a cat saying hi to me right now as well, just in case anybody's wondering why I'm stopping. So at the moment it's not really that safe, and I wouldn't want to risk anybody having an injury. So what we're thinking is putting a really nice gravelled ring around the olive tree. Because we think even if we set crazy paving with a resin, it's still going to need movement for the roots. So we're thinking with the gravel it will give that little bit of pliability. And then we've seen some really nice Greek crazy paving that just looks fantastic. It's done in like a light concrete with light rock, and I think it's going to make this area really sparkle. Let me know what you think.
Okay, we're going to have a quick measure up because this is a good space actually. It's quite a big space, and it would be good to know exactly how big it is. So yeah, go to that back wall. This isn't going to go all the way because it's only 5 metres. Okay, so now come to this point. That's 5 metres today. Alright, so that's about 7 metres. 7 metres that way, and then just go to the shed face. By 3.7 metres that way. So that's what we've got in that area there. And let's just spin you around. Right, that's 3.6 metres. And then come to this edge and I'll go around and try and trip you up. 3.6 and that's 3.4. So, oh, that's 7 again. It seems like it skews. It's around about 7 metres. And the pool is what? What's the pool? 6.6. So from the back fence to the edge of the pool is another 6.2 metres. So what were we thinking? We're thinking of paving everywhere, even where you can see grass. We don't know.
One of the cool things about the internet these days is access to packages like this one. This is a CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design package by a company called SmartDraw. I only just discovered it about half an hour ago, and already we've got this nice sketch, this mock-up of the back of our house that I just managed to create off of a hand sketch. So all I had was basic sketch, and the commands are super simple. I mean, you've got shape, line, text. It's self-explanatory stuff. If you want to do your own drawing, you just start with a blank template, click on line, click where you want your line to start, and then we start seeing the dimensions of the line come up here. We're on 5.5 at the moment. You can just let it go wherever you want. So it's currently at 5.6. If you wanted to make that longer, for example, you just click on where it says width down here, change it to 10, whatever you want, and you can see it extends it. You can start another line from there. It sort of snaps to the end of that line and you drag it down. Same thing, you can change it. We've ended up with 1 meter there. Super simple. If you want to add some text, just type text. Pretty easy to use, and it's free, completely free. So yeah, if you want to have a go at sketching up your house, your extension, one of your projects, I can recommend this one. This was really easy to use. Like I said, totally free, and worth checking out. You get this really nice template. You can add your little logo down here if you want, make it look quite professional. Let's just have a quick look at the templates they've got here. So if we go to new document, you can see all of the different templates they've got here. You've got floor plans for residential, commercial, organisation charts, flow charts, CAD drawings. There's a whole bunch of stuff down here. IT networks, electrical, landscape design. So there's a lot of stuff here. If you've got a little project going on at home and you want to, take it to the next level and do a bit more of a professional design, I'd recommend checking out SmartDraw.com. We've ended up with this. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, looks good.
What does everybody think is the best thing to do? Because
it's a big space.
It's a lot of paving.
Yeah, we don't think to pave everywhere is the right thing to do because it's going to be too much. But we need to be realistic as well. We're not here all of the time, and every time we come back, the grass is like up to my knees, and we have to try and clear it before we can do anything. It also doesn't help with just the maintenance and keeping it looking tidy and nice. So we need to work with what's practical, what looks good, but also we don't want to turn it into a concrete jungle. We bought this place because we liked nature, we liked the olive trees, we like the plants. We don't want to kill it with concrete, so it needs to be a balance. Help us out, please.
Yes, please help us out. We put this artificial grass down only so people didn't get filthy feet getting in and out of the pool. I'm not a massive fan of artificial grass, although I know there is some real high quality stuff that you can get now. So maybe just a strip or two of it here and there to break up the concrete isn't the end of the world. I don't know. I mean, I'm anti it, to be honest, because I'm not a fan of plastic. But can you stop moving the tripod?
Yeah. It also, when the kids are getting in and out, well, not just the kids, adults too. When we're getting in and out of the pool in the summer, and it's late 30s, the concrete gets quite hot. So the fake grass actually helps just soften everything a little bit. Obviously, it gets wet, it holds the water. It's just that little bit kinder on your feet, isn't it?
Yes. Okay, need lots of ideas, and we've got to have more discussions on this because this is a big area, and this is the main.
It's going to be a huge project, and we really can't wait to bring this to you. So we need your help.
Yeah, please. Look forward to hearing from you. Comments below, please. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment your ideas below. Hope to see you soon.